Céad Míle Fáilte. 100,000 welcomes to all our friends and readers. Helen Walsh Folsom, Irish author, will be answering some questions that readers have expressed about the history of Ireland and the Irish lifestyle over the next few weeks. More information and detail about her fiction and nonfiction books can be found on her website at helenwalshfolsom.com or purchased through amazon.com. Who are the little people and where did they come from?
The Irish little people are descendants of the Dee Delann, a race of lovely folk, tall and graceful with flowing blonde hair. They were workers in gold and silver. When the warrior Celts invaded the land of Ireland from the Dee Delanns, they were driven into the hills and caves. A druid poet priest was forced to apply his great wisdom to the task. So there are the Dee Delanns today, grown small, living in the caves, living in palaces of gold and silver, and coming out only at night to dance in the moonlight and make little secrets in the grass and play tricks on simple folks. The priest had announced, "The land shall be divided in half. Our great race will have all the land above the ground, and the Dee Delanns shall have it all below."
How was Alexander the Great tied into the Irish in battle?
It was the great warriors of the Irish that were called on by Alexander the Great to fight his wars in Persia and in Egypt and the Holy Land. Yes, they were. Grand, powerful men they were, and Alexander in 330 BC asked them to fight for him in fear that they would join his foes. For you see, the ancestors of the Irish are the Gaels, who many years ago were the ancestors of the Galatians, enter of what is now called Turkey. Oh, the fine reputation those Greeks had for fighting all the time. It was the Irish.
Thank you for listening today. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to hear more next time from Helen Walsh Folsom, Irish author and historian. If you have any questions or would like to have Helen Walsh Folsom answer any about Ireland or the Irish people, be sure to email her on her website under contact at helenwalshfolsom.com. Once again, her books can be purchased through amazon.com. Have a blessed day.